Hi, this is Muscle for Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast, and tonight we have a special guest in the building. I'm talking about Canada Rumble's champion. I'm talking about this song they call the ghetto song, but that song, yeah, bad. Tonight we have Mystic in the building. Gentlemen, introduce yourself going this way around the table.
You don't know Tyrone from Mystic Sound. Kill them all and forward alone.
Yeah, Randy from Mystic.
Yeah, man, Fabian, you know. Shooty, you see it. Yeah.
So how are you guys doing today?
We're great, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we're great, man.
Good vibes.
You see?
Yeah, man, coming off of something like what I seen you guys do the other night at Canada Rumble. Happy you guys are here because I definitely seen you guys perform.
True,
You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. We're for there, man.
Mm-hmm.
Two line, you know.
Yeah.
That's how I think.
You know what I mean?
Yeah?
I've never really seen you guys go that hard before. You know what I mean? You're from left to right, right to left, and Fabian was on point. When it came to selecting the tune, them on point, no itching.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean?
It's a shooty. When him say shooty, man, for make sure, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. When it's a level,
You know, everything.
you know what I
yeah.
mean? You have to look around and level.
Yeah.
You know,
You know
it's
what I
easy,
mean?
Things, you know?
All right.
Yeah.
So we're saying MC, Tyrone,
Yeah.
Fabian Selector. What's your role in the song, Randy?
Why? It's like I'm the DJ Khalid of the thing, you know.
Yeah.
And I say that because nobody really knows
Yeah.
what I do, but those people just drop out. So
Yeah.
you see Khalid, nobody knows what Khalid is. He's not a rapper, he's not a singer, he's not nothing, but he just
Yeah.
know pure bangers coming your way.
Straight goods.
So
You know what I mean?
that's my role, you know.
You're the mystery man of the song.
Mystery man.
I hear you loud and clear. So let's take it back to the beginning. How did you guys come up with the name Mystic?
Mystic. The name you come up by brother named Leroy in
Okay.
Jamaica.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He used to call the sound Mystic Disco.
Yeah. Okay.
Cause you know, uptown is where we forward from.
Yeah.
You used to have a sound named Wild Bunch Disco.
Yes.
Be a disco. So you know, say, once you build your sound, you have to put the disco on it. Cause them time they know a disco one, break dance and the whole works. You understand?
Yeah.
So we start build the box them now, and a man say, yo, take out the disco thing, it not gonna work. No disco thing, I want to you think one of some punk boy, yeah. Mystic sound.
Yeah.
Then and the man say, yeah, tune us and start right Mystic sound in the red, green and gold.
Yeah.
You know?
Okay.
From there so now,
Yes.
everybody I say, yeah, well, Mystic I do it, you know? Mystic sound. From there so, you know, so Leroy first come up with the name, you know?
Okay, so originally it was Mystic Disco
Yeah,
that turned to Mystic Song.
straight.
How long has the song been around now?
Well, the sound been around from about 92, 95, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
From them time there.
And it's originally from Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Okay, that I didn't know. I thought it was originally from here, and I thought you guys were more of early 2000 type of song.
No.
2001, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, from Jamaica. May I play the sound from Jamaica?
Okay.
Yeah, lift
Yeah.
up box, everything.
Yeah.
String up sound too.
Yeah.
Even string it up.
Okay.
Tune up, talk a phone and the whole works, you know? Yeah, so from Jamaica and then we forward, yes, and then,
Yeah.
you know, we start do it, me and my brother, and then Fabian come in, Randy day in, and the whole with us say, you know what, I could do a thing, you know, from better. Because even when I one time, I say, you know what, well, like this, and then, I say, you know what, I don't know this is going to work, you know.
Yeah.
Until me hear Fabian start take on the road, and me I say, what? Fabian take on the road, so something I say, yo, what you there?
Yeah.
Fabian take on the road, so me I say, yo, that's so nice.
Yeah.
So me I say, yeah, road.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I will
Street.
start deal with it, man. Because even Randy was, even when fully loaded, Randy was always
First
there.
fully
Like
loaded
the
with
first
Trust
fully
Ryan
loaded.
Nelson.
Yeah.
Yes,
Just go back,
first one.
look on the fully loaded, you see a man in a Jamaica shirt.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man.
Yeah.
2005.
Yeah, man.
2005.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
straight.
Khaled's been around for a long time now.
Yeah, man.
Engineered it
Yeah.
right. You know?
All right.
Yeah.
I see. And how did you connect with Tyrone and say, okay, Bob, I'm going to deal with the song?
You know, sir, I want clash one night, though.
Yeah, with 7B. 7B, when you're 7B, convince me. I say, "What?"
yeah.
Yeah.
My brother name 7B, you know.
Okay.
So more time we talk and say, yo, More time when him sit down and talk still and, you know, he must say, yo, the sound, a bad sound.
Yeah.
Cause links there, everything.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, push him, make him take on the road, you know.
Yeah.
And one night in my clash, man, just go take off the earphone off of me. It's wicked.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
man.
mix
Yeah.
and from it, that.
Okay,
Yeah.
just like that.
Just like that.
Okay. Were you playing another song before, or this just got you in the vibe and say, this is the song I'm playing?
You know, when I just forward,
Yeah.
him give me some song.
Okay.
Some 45. Some
Yeah.
singing sweet and some little
Of
thing.
course.
Yeah. Nice little juggling, you know.
Yeah.
I just take time and do my thing from them time. And yeah, as I say one night, I see my clash now. I say, you know what? I go, I just go take the earphone from him because I'm alone. I do it. Bad same way.
Okay.
Long time.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So originally it was you alone around the song.
Yeah.
When
Well,
you
well-
brought it up here.
No.
Yeah.
Him,
Paul.
him and him brother.
Paul,
Because
Paul
him
is the
said
one that
before,
are
yeah.
my brother. When me that tell you before.
Yeah.
He was the MC.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, he was a mixer, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. So from there, so him start. So you know what? Love sound thing when I make the money off of it. So me alone, I tried it and I mix and attack.
Yeah.
And then Fabian, a brother name, we have a clash. I come up now.
Okay.
And me I say, yo, me nah gonna clash, you know. Juggle, you know.
Yeah.
And then Fabian and Sewan link up down at the gas station down at Sheridan Mall, so.
Yeah, man.
I say, yo, Tyrone, forward. And him say, yo, Fabian, tell him to guard the clash. And Fabian say, yeah, man, guard the clash, man. And the man say, go mix, Fabian. And Fabian say, yeah, man, me go mix, man.
Just
And
so.
from there, so, we just start taking on the road, mad and mean.
Just like that. And around what year was that there?
I want to hear that.
I did
And-
45. It
and
was
I
a
told-
clash for go around Nelson.
So,
Oh, nothing there.
yeah,
Duffin
Dupan and
and Duff.
Duffin.
Yeah.
Dupan and Duffin, yeah.
And an old tree.
Dad's place. Dad's place.
Dad's place.
Yeah, Dad's
Dad's
place.
Dad's
Okay.
place.
Yeah, Dad's place
Yeah,
in
man.
the upstairs there.
Yes,
Yeah.
man.
And Dupan
Yeah,
and Duffin.
yeah, man.
Mellow Vibes them to keep the dance there.
Okay.
Yeah, Mellow Vibes them.
That was like Road to Fully Loaded.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I want to look a clash
Yeah.
them and
Yeah.
say, boy, if we win, you know.
Yeah. Do you remember who was in that clash here?
And who did another clash there?
A 2 weeks clash.
2
back to
weeks
back.
clash. Yeah,
Yeah.
back to back.
We
I think
clash.
Majestic Vibes then another. No, Majestic Vibes.
No.
But that's on
Majestic.
King Majestic.
Yes.
With
That was
Trooper.
with Trooper and
Yeah.
Marvin Chin.
Marvin
Marvin
Chin.
Chin.
Yeah.
Okay.
And who else? Some other sound. One sound they come from down a Regent Park too.
I don't
Yeah.
remember them, you know.
That was
Yeah.
probably Star Trek.
Star Trek.
Yeah.
Star
Oh yeah,
Trek.
yeah. A whole heap of them until we never remember. Now you
Yeah.
know, so we need to write down the sound them we kill.
Yeah, man, tons of them, you know, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Serious thing,
Yeah,
man.
I trust me.
No,
I
for
know.
them,
You know what I mean?
Yeah,
I
man.
seen the song coming from far. What were some of your early dubs that you cut? Do you remember the first dub you ever cut?
The first dub ever cut.
Yeah.
You know, if I tell you the truth, the first dub we ever cut for the sound,
Yeah.
it was a Mikey Melody.
Okay.
Yeah, Mikey Melody, A1 sound,
Okay.
a Black Scorpio studio.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then start cut some look of Force Ripe and some look of Predator.
Yeah.
Some Ninja Ford and, you know, Tenor Star and them, you the Algebra them, man.
Yes, man.
You know? And then Luciana go give you a dub plate on the Trovican in a Kilimanjaro studio.
Okay.
Yeah, he moved everybody in the studio.
Yeah.
From Virgo man down to 1 point, he moved them and said, watch it.
Yeah.
Mikey generally did and him point for me and said, yo, you will get a tune here today.
Yeah, just
and
like
him
that.
give it the tune. And you see the tune?
Yeah.
It was just Kilimanjaro, Mystic, and Stone Love did I play that dub plate at that time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I see a little sound boy I've been trying. What
Yeah.
we need is Mystic sound.
Of course.
And from there, so we just say, you know what?
Yeah.
Carry it on.
And took off from there.
Yeah, man, it took off from there, so, man. We just get crazy for dub, because roughly, we just like juggle. We just a juggle.
Yeah.
Just a juggle, and make party nice, you know?
So it was more, you guys came in the business more as a juggling song opposed to a clash song at that time.
Juggling sound.
yeah.
Squeeze in
Juggling,
one and
yeah.
two, look a dub plate, and
course.
I juggling, you know?
Yeah. That's how the business was, where there wasn't a clash song or a juggling song at that time there.
No.
It was just a song. You know what I mean? You have your dubs, you mix your dubs, and everybody plays. Everything's nice. It's a good vibes. But then after a while, it started to kind of separate a bit where okay, it's so-called Jiggy Sounds one side, Clash Sounds the next side.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Separated for real.
Yeah.
Like,
And then from there, that's where everything took off.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Wow. How did you get involved with the song?
Well, it was a mutual friend we had,
Yeah.
At the time when I first met him, I was actually living in Chicago at the time.
Okay.
And every time I talked to him, it's like, yo, this yo Tyrone is bad, I can chat.
Yeah.
I'm like, yeah, okay. So I was doing my thing in Chicago. I was like playing down there or whatever. Like,
Okay.
And then when I moved back here, I think he was like, that was the time when they were going to Fully Loaded.
Yeah.
And try to kind of mix and stuff. It like, yo, make him mix it Fully Loaded. So that's how kind of where it started.
Yeah.
And that time when I cut here, the CD thing, the just the
Brand
computer
new.
thing,
Brand new.
so
Brand new.
him did more, you know.
Yeah.
Record.
He was a DJ, the DJ Khaled. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
See, clearly, you guys been in it from record times. Then.
Yeah, man. Straight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you find is a real difference with playing some between record time, CD time to now laptop time?
Yeah, me not find it a difference.
Okay.
You see, from you love the music,
Yeah.
you play the CD like you play a record.
Uh-huh.
You play the laptop like you play a vinyl, same way.
Yeah.
So I just love of the music. Once you hear the music drop, it's like, wow.
You're ready.
We're ready.
Do
I
it,
eat.
yeah, you know.
Trust me.
Yeah, because what I find is I remember back in the days when you had a dub, you might have a dub with 4 songs on it, but they're all on the same rhythm. So if you just have one dub now, it's like you have to talk and then play the next song.
Yeah,
Or turn it over, you know what I mean?
flip
Something like
around
that. But
or
now with the
something,
laptop and CDs, that's no problem at all. That's not even a thought to anybody right now. You know what I mean?
Straight. Yeah, man.
And that's really the amazing thing with those times till now. You know what I mean? Who were some of the songs you were looking up to those times when Mystic was just really getting in the business?
Over here?
Yeah. Let's go with Jamaica first and then take it over here.
Jamaica?
Yeah.
All right. You see, Jamaica, me used to listen to a song named called Crystal.
Of course we know Crystal.
Yeah. Crystal, Small Axe, Rambo Mango, you have Silver Arc,
Okay.
Jamrock, the whole of them sound there.
Yeah.
Of course, Tone Love,
Of course.
right? And we know when 4x4 forward at Jamaica, Exodus Nuclear, the whole of them sound there. Inner City, the Gemini, and it all works. So we look up to all of them bad sound there at Jamaica. The bass of this is the Black Cat, you know? Trust me, them sound there.
And then when you came up here now, who were you looking up to as a song when you got up here now?
Boy, I'm not lying now.
Yeah.
It's when me go some Braps and I'm not like, you see, Black Reaction.
Yeah.
When me see them youth there mix and the youth there talk,
Yeah.
me I say, yo, that's how when you're bad.
Yeah, of course.
And then I go and dance one night with Super Fresh, Soul Supreme and Kilimanjaro. And I see a youth the panic. Yo, I want to feel like. And I go on and I say, yes, a youth you're bad.
Yeah.
Fire Kid Stine,
Of course.
Zane, and don't forget the infamous Rebel Tone,
Yeah.
Newbie, Talented Selector.
Of course we know that.
You understand?
You know what
And we are them youth there.
Of
We
course.
see them youth there play a shepherd from turntable days as liquor youth and I roll them little silver dub plate box and
Yeah.
I do them thing from day one, you know? So I look up to them sound there.
Of course, because it was really when Rebel Tone was taking on the road. Wicked, it was Rebel Tone and Mystic was
Yeah.
always the two songs
Yeah.
that you
definitely.
always see, you know what I mean,
Yeah.
back to back. Even when I seen Newbie the other night in Rumble,
Yeah.
I said, look, you them gone, you know, boss.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Can't go around Newbie, man.
Yeah.
Newbie. Yeah, man. Newbie there from the get-go, man.
Yeah.
Them youth there. So we have to big up Newbie and him go World Clash and him did it.
Of course.
Just like how everybody I say, oh, Mystic not have no tune. So oh, when I have no tune, I will do it, we win Rumble.
Yeah.
So
The
I
same
must
thing them
talent.
say
Yeah,
about
of
him
course.
So we
too,
have
you
to
know.
big up Newbie for that. So him struggle with him thing and him deal with it.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I just love and respect, you know.
All the
Can't
time.
go around that, you know.
Definitely. Who were you looking up to, Fabian, as song from back home to when you got here?
Yeah, well, I don't have no bag of sound, you know. There's
Yeah.
a jar of them and the Stone Love and
Of course.
the bass of the sea, you know, and bass of the sea, them and a couple of the little sound, you see
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
That was really who you're looking up to. Or even as a selector, which selector did you really rate and say, you know what? Bad selector.
Great Ricky Trooper, man.
Of course.
Yeah. Man. Can't go around it,
So you see, the two of you guys are on the same vibe, because you're saying Jaro and all them, and he's saying the same thing too. So from before you even connected, you guys had the connection already, you know? It's just for you to know, okay, you know what?
Yeah.
Bad song. How about you? Who are you looking up to as song selector MC at that time there?
At that time there, boy, well, see, I was up here at those times, so you have to say Reaction.
Reaction.
Reaction, you have to say Black Supreme also,
Of course.
Red Flame, Turbo, Super Fresh. You know, those songs you can't not mention them, you know what I mean?
Those are the dinosaurs of
Oh,
the Canadian song clash business.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Those are the heavy ones, especially when you say Super Fresh, Black Reaction, King Turbo.
Yeah.
Those were the three dinosaurs, mega people. That's actually still, you're still going on right now to this day.
Yeah, man.
You know
Yeah,
what I
man.
mean?
Yeah.
Super Fresh has something coming up. King Turbo's a world class champion. Black Reaction, they're everywhere all the time. They're just really sticking to more juggling right now. That's really their thing.
Sure.
You know what I mean? So it's going to be interesting now that you guys basically came up to size. Now, who you're looking up to is who you have to rival.
Yeah.
That's going to be the interesting part.
Straight.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I know from the performance the other night, you're not here to take no prisoners. You know what I mean? Rate you, respect you, love what you did, but we're here to win.
Yeah, straight
man.
winning,
Yeah,
man.
winning, man. You forget
Winning,
that double
man.
a day, you know?
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly. Straight goods. You know what I mean? So let's get to Rumble. Okay, in Rumble you had King Atani, Stepa Chase, you guys Mystics, Climax, Laser Force, Killer Assassin. I would say the two youngest songs that were in this the three of them would have been you guys, Laser Force, and Killer Assassin. All right. When you guys went in, who did you think would have gave you the biggest fight going in?
Another dancer.
Yeah.
You know, say, me think, say, King Atani and Stepa Choice. Yeah. I think them will give away a bigger fight because remember, say, King Atani are the defending champion.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
So, you know, and you know, Stepa Choice, a long time so on. And them can do them thing.
Of course.
You
Yeah.
understand? So,
Lumberjee, you
yeah,
know?
Lumberjee,
Bad
them
selector
youth there.
too, you know?
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And Kirk and them youth, them love music, so them we'd have really I say, yo, we have to really watch out for them still, you know?
Do you think it would have been a different clash if Itchy one was wrong, Stepa Chase?
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, you can't go wrong.
That youth there,
Yeah.
you stand up strong around the machine, so
Yeah, know him thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When it comes to smooth mixing and playing and making it connect, Itchy.
Yeah,
Definitely.
yeah, man.
Definitely. You
him
know
no
what I mean?
itch, man, him no itch, you
Yeah.
know? And just deal
No
with it.
Itchy one.
Yeah.
I don't know if the brother they take with the name and him not do it
Yeah.
right way the night, you know?
Yeah.
But him,
So,
him,
who would you say was your biggest disappointment? Who you thought would have gave you a fight, but then it was just whatever?
King Atani.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think Jonah did come with a different game plan. You see, from after him play out, him clash with Mystic after him winning Rumble.
Okay.
And we beat him.
Okay.
Him and Stereo 5.
What dance was it? What clash was this?
What you call that clash there?
Carly and the
Carly Undertaker.
Okay, it was King Atani,
Tani,
Mystic,
Mystic,
Stereo
Stereo
5,
Five.
and you guys won it.
And we win.
This was 2017 or 2018?
2017.
September.
September.
September
Okay.
3rd. Yeah,
Yeah.
3rd of
So
September.
call it about give or take about 6 months ago.
Yeah.
Okay, and you guys beat Atani in that one there.
Yeah.
So you figured, okay, since you guys beat him that one, he has something to prove to you guys.
Exactly.
Plus he was in World Clash that just
Yeah.
passed. So you got something doubly to prove again.
Yeah.
And you didn't find that materialized
No.
on Saturday. Yeah.
No.
So that was a big disappointment.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did expect him to come real hard and,
Yeah.
you know, step up in game plan and say, you know what, mistake. I got to deal with no wicked in here tonight. But it never happened, you know?
Yeah, it didn't work out.
Yeah,
that
it
way.
never happened.
You know when somebody sometimes just has your number where it's like, it doesn't matter how many big songs you have, what you play. These guys right here just has your number. You know what I mean? 'Cause how many times did you guys actually clash with King Atani?
This is about the thing.
I think, remember,
You
Back
know,
to
sir,
Basic, the one day we
think
come,
at the
we
fourth
went Back
time
to
now.
Basic, we run in pan them. It was a
Yeah.
walk-in Back to Basic. King
Jim.
Atani,
Yeah.
Studio Mix did
Studio
the
Mix.
dance too.
Yeah. Rebel
Rebel
Tone.
Tone.
And some
Walk,
other sound
yeah.
we not too know their name.
Yeah.
They never in the race, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we know Rebel Tone did the night and Studio Mix,
Studio Mix,
and King Atani.
Yeah.
And we did cut some Blessed Customer. Mash them up the night,
Yeah.
I'll kick out all the ceiling.
Yes, I remember that was the one where it was in Mississauga there.
No, man,
it's
that one they keep down
Islington,
at Islington. Yeah, man, we kick out the ceiling.
because
yeah.
the ceiling was kind of low.
Yeah.
You grabbed that in the
and,
bars.
And you record the dance stuff. Yeah, because it's a two-line music.
Yes,
out.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Wow, it's been a long
Yeah.
time.
2000,
Yeah.
About 2008 that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Okay,
think
so it's been about, give or take, about 10 years now. You and Atani's been going back and forth.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Straight.
Would you ever clash them one-on-one?
Yeah, man, we da clash them one-on-one, man.
Yeah.
Anytime.
Ready?
Yeah, man, we're ready, man.
Have you guys ever done a one-on-one clash yet?
No.
No.
Yeah. Is that something you guys are looking forward to?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
And that more on to
Yeah.
more
One-on-one,
than
you know?
one-on-one.
Okay.
I like
So-
to experience that, you
Yeah.
know?
So since we're talking, who would give me some of the names of some of the songs that you would really want to deal with one-on-one? Whether they're Canadian, international, wherever. Give me 3 songs.
We da clash one-on-one.
Yeah.
You know, say me da clash a sound and King Shine,
Yes, man.
one-on-one.
Jimmy Spliff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We da clash a sound one-on-one.
Yeah.
Nah lie. And we da clash Soul Supreme.
Yeah. Okay.
One-on-one.
With Little Shabba and
Yeah.
No. He not play the
Jake,
Oh, he's
we
not
nah
from
play
Jake's.
sound
Okay.
again. We da clash a sound there.
Yeah.
Soul Supreme.
Okay, so then that's one from New York. That's King Shine's Jersey. Give me
Yeah.
one more song. Give me a Canadian song. Outside of Atani.
A Canadian sound.
Yeah, outside of Atani.
You know, see no more
Them
Canadian sound.
not
We
play
want
with.
clash in
Them
our
not
cars.
play with. So
You
we
look
not,
like we
we
kill
not,
off the whole of them already. You know?
No, man, but there has to be somebody that you say, okay,
them
Me
not
versus-
gonna
All
take
right,
it, man.
now I tell
Yeah.
you, right
Yeah.
now,
Fine,
you see,
try find
the
one.
sound them,
yeah,
when me that one clash,
yeah.
then now
Them
clash
not
with
gonna
because
play, yeah, them
then
not
now one
play
clash
with
from
from
morning, and
morning,
one
yeah.
evening.
Give me a name.
No, give you a name.
Give me a name.
All right, I wish you. I never see nobody. We kill off the whole of them already, you know. So me never see who else we can call, you know.
Yeah.
No, them, whoever left,
Yeah.
them
Nah,
not gonna
play
take, them
with.
not play with.
Yeah.
The whole of them get called already, muscle.
Yeah.
Almost 3/4 of them,
Yeah.
we and them. Somebody call for dance.
And it never.
Mistake
don't
nine
begin.
of them league.
Yeah.
And that.
Yeah.
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 So, you know, makes
There
sense.
has
to
to
say,
be
you know?
Yeah.
one song. We're putting this on record. There has to be one Canadian song. One. That you, even if they don't want to war with you, you're going to put it out there right now that you would war with them. One.
But all right, then look on this now. If you can look on Rumble, right? And them are going to say, come on,
And them not
Canadian.
take, yeah.
Well, go on, look like we not drop the thing.
Yeah.
So basically, them are say, where the sound them, they
They
clash
fi-
over
clash
here.
Yeah.
None of there.
You understand?
What
Yeah.
go on?
So where the sound them there?
How much? About the third Rumble
one.
list now.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the third
And
one.
it's at the same set of sound
Yeah.
them really. So differently.
Because
the rest of
we
them-
kill King Artan, we kill Stepper Choice, we kill... So Super Fresh now go clash with.
Yeah.
Rootsman now go clash with.
Yeah.
Yeah. Would
Them
you clash
nah
Roots
go
Man
clash.
one-on-one?
With Rootsman clash we one-on-one?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's the story.
exactly.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, that's
we have a sound, them have a sound, it's business.
Of course.
So
Yeah.
if they want the arena full up, you know,
Yeah.
do business.
And I guess especially since the two of you guys will be representing Jane and Finch area, that would be almost a settlement of all arguments. Who's
Yeah.
really the Finch song around here? You know what I mean?
Straight.
I have the trophy.
Yeah. Yeah. No, this is interesting because what I like, I'm gonna give you straight facts and talking.
Yeah.
Last year Rumble, going in, you guys were my pick to win. I said as the firecracker song, the one that you don't expect, the one that's gonna give you the entertainment, is gonna be Mystic. All right, cool. You guys didn't really catch them last year.
Yeah, yeah.
You know what I mean? First time on the big stage, whatever. You catch it,
Yeah.
all right, cool. This year, again, I'm not gonna lie, I gotta keep it 100. King Atani was my pick going in. You know what I mean? I said, because even same place, same chair you're sitting in right now. Junior D was here. I said, all right, we're talking. I said, okay, I'll see you back after after Rumble.
Yeah.
And guess what? Junior D's not here. You know what I mean? It's Mystic that's here. But I know the power that you guys possess when it comes to that entertainment value. Some of the songs I heard you guys pop out one night, I'm not going to lie, it shocked the hell out of me.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Especially when it came tune for tune.
Yeah.
Because I see it's not like you guys were struggling because of the new format. It's not even a new format. They just brought back the original dub for dub style.
Yeah,
You know what I mean? Because originally it was you play tune for
Yeah,
tune
you
until
don't
somebody
vote,
knock out.
yeah.
And then now it's you play one song, this guy plays the next song, and then we judge. No,
They've judged
I
you.
like
this.
I
Yeah,
like
they
this
make
one.
me
You know what I
hey,
mean?
it's sweet,
Yeah.
you're on
Yes,
this.
man. And just to see that you guys stood
What?
up and held it, and there was no itching, there was no, what do we do next? Oh, probably, okay,
music,
talk out until we find something. No, man, it was back to back to back to back. And playing with a song like Climax,
Yeah.
that's not an easy feat.
no.
You know what I mean?
No.
That's not an easy
Tune
feat.
for tune to with a song like that.
Climax?
Yeah.
Boss.
Yeah.
If you guys really knew what was in that box, it's just, I don't think they even really knew what was in that box there. Because when it comes to foundation and big songs, that's Climax's strong point.
Yeah.
You know what I
Them
mean?
have it.
Yeah.
The only other song, pound for pound, song for song, that could have seen them in that way would have been like a Step by Chives. 'Cause
Yeah,
they're,
yeah,
they're
yeah.
matched in that
Yeah,
type, but
yeah.
they've been around just as long, they've been
Up in
doing their
it,
thing
yeah.
just as long. But for you guys that we'll say is a ghetto song and the newer song out there,
Sure.
you guys impressed the hell out of me.
Word,
you know what
you
I
know?
mean?
Yeah, man.
I heard you guys play one Bears before, but when I heard two, and then I heard three, I said, these
Yeah.
guys are serious. You know what I mean? Yeah. That was a big one there. Let's talk about the link with Mavado. How do you guys get that link there? Because it seems like when it comes to Gully God, you guys play the most. Could we say in Canada? Could we say that?
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah,
100%.
yeah,
Yeah,
you
man,
could say that
definitely,
in
yeah.
Canada, yeah.
How did that link come about?
Right up that.
Yeah.
Okay. The link there. We're born and growing up.
Okay.
Yeah. My father live a cassava piece and I live on a little place that they call name Lagway Park.
Yeah.
No, Lagwood Park, sorry, but we'll just change it and call it Lagway Park,
Yeah.
you know?
Yeah.
So, as we say, we have the sound. So every Thursday night we used to keep a stage show.
Okay.
Then, so when we keep the stage show, you'd have a local crew named Mafia Dial Crew,
Yeah.
which is with Terror Kid, rest in peace, Terror Kid,
Yeah.
dead and gone, right? Rockula,
Yeah.
Zane, Flex, that's a little Flex,
Yeah.
and you have Singing Blacks,
Which is now Mavado.
Mavado, yeah. Right, so every Thursday night we used to keep a stage show with Ninja Ford, Predator,
Okay.
the whole of them used to come, Algebra,
Yeah.
the whole of them used to come on. And we used to forward and them used to DJ and thing and Mavado now used to just take the mic and mash up the place and gone.
Yeah.
You understand? So, me left out now, 97 and come to Canada now, so the stage show thing kind of rare because me as a man always I go to the old people them and tell them, say, boy, I go play music and this and that and inform them, you know, if we cook some soup and we cook something, we make sure they get them thing first and like friend up the people them and make them feel nice in the era. So, me left now, Jamaica now, come and forward afar now, and then still I do the music same way and rare, so we start say, you know what, we need to cut some dub plate.
Yeah.
Zina, I say, Fabian, we go down a record shop, right?
City Kid.
City
A
Kids
City
record
Kids?
shop. Yeah, with Mark them and Bones them.
Yeah,
Right,
Syndicate.
yeah.
Syndicate.
Syndicate.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
City Kid
That's
record
right.
shop.
Yes,
and
man.
Yeah, something like that, yeah.
me look and me see the label. It's a Dasika label.
Yeah.
And they say, Mavado. I turn to Fabian and I say, yo, Fabian, I know him now.
Yeah. yeah.
Fabian say, yeah. I say,
Yeah.
yeah, man, I know him, man. Good. And we did it now and we start cut some tune. So we start send the money to Footer Hive.
Yeah.
So Footer start cut the tune them for we now because we are the first sound in Canada play Busy Signal and dub plate.
And dub
Okay.
plate, yeah.
First sound play
Yeah.
Busy Signal and dub plate.
Okay.
Yeah,
Right?
Yeah, man.
Footer
That
Hive,
was what, Step Out?
Yeah.
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 I ran out
Yeah.
fully loaded.
Let me tell you the funny thing with it. You know, we both got the Busy the same time.
Me know that.
Exact same
I'm
Me
time.
don't
more
get
than
to it.
that.
Me don't get to it.
Yeah.
Me don't get to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then when I play, we play the dance.
Yeah.
Then
Yeah,
I see
man,
him
yeah,
fully
it was
loaded.
fully loaded.
Yeah,
Yeah. Radication.
Yeah, yeah.
Of course.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
So Footer cut the Busy them
Yeah.
and send them come give away. So when Footer cut the Busy them and send come give away now. Remember I said Footer bus before Mavado.
Yeah.
right? So Foota in the streets, my brother them in the streets now. So we say, you know what? We get Tyrical, that Michael Harris, that you would him start. We sing, I mean the old dirty boy upon the street. Him, I want the youth today night from long time too. You understand? So we make Tyrical cut some. Him cut through with some half pint.
Half pint, yeah.
Yeah, him cut some half pint. Cause you know Tyrical write song for Bounty and them thing that too. Bulls of Chicago and them song there and things. So I one circle.
So
You
one
understand?
link.
Yeah. So I say, you know what, Fabian, we can't make Foota hype eat the whole of the food. We have to share the food.
Yeah.
So my father did a roll with Foota. So my father said, Tyrone, what you deal with? So we go to Braps now and I say, what go on? And I say, yo, Foota alone you get in. What happened to me? So I say, all right, what you can get? I say, yo, I can get Bounty Killer for you now. What you do?
Yeah.
See, and I say, all right then. So I say, send in the food, star. And we send in the food and it take him about 3 weeks to get the bounty and we want it. And you know, miserable when we want with up. So we are cussing him and say, yo, you so get it, man. You so get it. So him cut the Bounty Killer for me. The first Bounty Killer. My father cut that Bounty Killer for me.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
And the
Lad.
greatest thing, the first clash of going we get for play it. Lad. One Bounty Killer.
Yeah, man.
I will go through the night. We go through the night.
Yeah, man. We got through the night.
Yeah. One
Yeah.
Bounty Killer.
One.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So from that day now, him cut the song, and when he cut the song, he got cut Twins of Twins away.
Yeah.
And he cut some
Come Wayne Marshall. Them for yeah,
Zane,
man. Yeah.
and he cut a portion of the song for me. So when he cut the song them now, him send them. So I say, yo, so what yourself?
Yeah.
And him say, yeah?
Yeah.
Me say, of course.
Yeah.
We cannot go a clash when I play, yo.
Yeah.
Send your song them come on, my brother go cut him song them and he send come give. But at the same time, if they cut some song for you too.
Yeah,
man.
yeah, man. Them
Yeah.
children, yeah.
I'm saying to me, say, Tyrone, you know, son name Radication. I'm say, yeah. I'm say, yeah. Hear me, I'm gonna cut some tune for them. I say, they don't know I saw the thing, go, man. And I'm say, yo, man, I say, go, man, but don't know thing, yeah. But at the time, my father sang the day in the process of getting big.
Yeah,
Real
yeah.
Zane, and till the video is like a my father, everybody gone, killer everybody gone of my father Jamaica, right?
Yeah.
I say me have to big up my father every time that you there from nothing to something. You understand?
Sure.
Right? And it's like them go do the video. I want them to do the video. Me and Fabian drive go check with Bridget and him. Dan left.
Yeah.
We don't know, you have the little cable them and you see the video, Jamaica video them are go on and we go see this video come on and it's like a medley.
Yes.
Yeah, it's like a medley.
Yes.
And then when it reached to my father part, him got have one of them little briefcase thing and I come down something in a full black and Madam Mean.
Yeah.
And I said, they're no real McCoy. And I say, me see at the place, him sister them and everybody start moving up to the TV and say like, who is this guy? Yeah.
What am I doing?
Yeah.
I deal with the wicked, man.
I'm dealing with the wicked, and from that day, I say, yo, I love what I go on, my father. And from that day, every rhythm, when my father depend, him call me and say, Tyrone, go get the cartoon. Tyrone, go get the bill back. Go get the Red Bull and Guinness. Go get this.
The whole of them rhythm, we have play them.
Yeah, man. You see, all when time people are play anger management, we are play a rhythm name Anger Management.
Yes,
Yeah.
that was the one with Busy and Movada. and
Exactly.
Combo and- Yes.
Yeah. So, I just test the link there and from there so until now, you know.
Yeah, because I know when it comes to Movado, you guys have that. Even same story, because back then I was talking to Movado one-on-one, and then he had lost his passport or something at that time, so he couldn't go to Western Union to go get the money. So I had to send it in his sister's name to go get the money. He cut the Real McCoy, and then I said, yo, you don't have nothing else left? He sang, I think it was Dreaming. He sang to me, but it didn't have the same energy like Real McCoy.
Real McCoy.
You know what I mean?
I'd come back
Yeah.
after.
You know what I mean? So I said, that's okay. I said, okay, we'll link up later if anything, see what else is going on from there. From there, I lost the number, never called him back from there. You know what I mean? Real McCoy was the first one there, and it was actually Newbie that gave me the link.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? Newbie said, yo, This is what's going on. This is what you need. Talk to the man directly. You know what I mean?
Because Newbie get the link through me.
Yeah.
Because when Newbie go for Buju Banton now,
Yeah.
him say, Movada, and Movada approach him and say, Canada? And him say, yes. And I say, yo,
Yeah.
Tyrone.
Yeah.
And from that day, now, I say, yo, Tyrone.
Yeah.
You know, because we grew up from, me a turn over already, my Movada sing.
Okay.
Movada sing from him a little boy.
Yeah.
A long time Movada clash.
Okay.
Me I tell you that.
As singing blacks.
As singing blacks.
Yeah.
Because up a cassava piece, you know. Enough man ever know say Sanchez bus from cassava piece and Burro Banton, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
That I didn't know.
Yeah, because you have a land up there named Pepper Land.
Yes.
And you used to clash up there because up there's a 4x4 drop, you know, first,
Okay.
you know.
Yeah.
Right? So up there says like a music place.
Mm-hmm.
Every artist go there. From Buju Banton, because Buju Banton does a step, just walk down the road, you know, from Whitehall, you know.
Yeah.
Come right up to Cassava Piece, you know. And then you have even same big yard there, where you hear them as a cartel there.
Yeah.
Movada chat them place a long time because of the same barn.
Yeah.
A place named Small Access, Sanchez them, Flower Gun, Red Dragon, Daddy Lizard. May I tell you, even Quenchade them, Earl and Tony, the whole of them, and then on the same strip, so now you have a son named Playmate.
Yes, we know
That
song.
play the most Super Cat.
Of course we know that.
Yeah,
Yes.
Kiddy them. Them play the most Super Cat. And watch it now, no? Kilimanjaro Studio go there right in front of Playmate Yard.
Okay,
1A Whitehall Avenue.
Uh-huh.
You see it?
Yeah.
So that's one circle.
It's one link. Everything
Yeah.
is one link.
Everything that's right there, sir.
Yeah.
And you go down Red Hills Road. That's the most jerk chicken pan man there. And that's a front line first come.
Yeah.
Right there, sir. Exodus, Super D. Yeah, man. I tell you, sir. Therefore, that's the thing set, you know?
Yeah, man. No, that's big right there because just the fact that you got to actually grow up and be in that entire vibe with the whole of them, that's why you have it to the way you have it right now. You know what I
Exactly,
mean?
yeah.
You don't want the most, you know. You just want to be effective
Yeah.
with what you're doing.
True.
You know what I mean?
And
And you
move
guys
along there, you know?
definitely proved that the other night. Definitely proved that because you were not supposed to do what you did with Climax and Tune for Tune. That was impossible. You know what I mean? That was impossible. That was impossible. Listen to me. We seen, I think it was probably, because you guys, when I came in, you guys had passed the first round already.
Yeah, yeah.
When I came in, when was the surprise round? That was second round or third
Third
round?
round.
That was third
Third
round.
round, yeah.
Yeah.
So when I got there, I think I might have missed your second round also. Because when I got there, King Atani, they had just voted out King Atani.
Yeah.
So then
They-
that would have been
Second
the end of
round.
second round.
Elimination.
So then when I
round.
came in, you guys were the first round to play?
Second.
Second.
Second, yeah.
Second.
Yeah.
King Atana play after we.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then when I seen you guys get Badman wrong, it's like, wow. You guys, you're just ready.
Yeah.
I know, whenever I expect it
Yeah.
to.
All right.
The computer there and Tyrone I got pick.
Yeah.
Tyrone I got pick a seat.
Yeah.
And me just dead there and him say bad man run. Alright, me just look and see something. Yo.
Yeah.
Me just pick him up.
And it was there.
Yeah.
Suppose we tell us, Fabian never they want to play the bad man role.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because we not argue and
People have
say,
said that to
We
say
say,
bad man run easy.
we don't want to
and
play
we
no
don't
bad
want-
man round.
Yeah.
You understand? So we say, I better we get all the God run or the ganja run
something,
or
yeah.
something, you know?
Mm-hmm.
But
Let them go and kill
Yeah.
up themselves, you know.
and so we end up get the bad man round, so we have to just take what we get and play it.
Of course, that's how, when it's a surprise round, anything is possible. And
Yeah.
that's what you guys got was a surprise. And you guys definitely delivered in that round there.
Yeah, because here one now, big and serious. We have to big up Jill and Chin still, you know, because you see that thing that where them really do,
Yeah, man.
them kind of pick with mine as a selector. We
Wicked,
say, you know
yeah, man.
what?
Make you do work.
Don't
Yeah.
get caught
Yeah.
up in all
Program.
about the dub plate and
Yeah.
the whole heap railway. So just come down after your eager trip and say, you know what, we're going to play like we're there in a dance so everybody can have fun. So
Of course.
even next year now when the Rumble are forward again,
Get them
people
get
feel
something
the
out
vibes there
tight.
and say, yo, you know
Yeah.
what, we are going back a Rumble because you see that round? What that guy play? I like that round. They put a God round in it.
Yeah.
A ganja segment, right? A singing segment and a combination segment. And then if you want to go to World Clash and cannot play a
Play
ganja
one of them
segment
round there,
or
yeah,
a
something
ganja
wrong.
segment, and it's like, well, you just want to go to World Clash to
Clash.
prove to people, say, oh, I'm the baddest, and you cannot play a ganja round? You know, so
Especially
yeah.
just out of the blue.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Where you're
Come
not
on,
prepared, you know. You're not saying, okay, this is the rounds right here. I know what I'm going to play.
Yeah.
5 minutes. When did you pick your actual round? Was it right before you went
Right
and played?
before we
Yeah.
play, him
Yeah.
just pick and show me.
And
And,
that
then
was it.
and him just give him
Yeah.
the microphone, and that was
Yeah.
it.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it. So it
Yeah.
wasn't like you picked it when you came in earlier and then you moved to fix up.
No.
No, because we hear about the rules from before.
Yeah.
They give up heads up. So once you hear that, me, Fabian and Randy, we just going out with thinking back and say, you know what?
Make sure when
Make
they
sure we
pan-
sort out every round.
Yeah.
So if we pick that round, we already have it sorted out.
Yeah.
So if a combination, we have combination to shoot. If a ganja, we're ready. If a God song, we're ready. If a
We're
singing
ready,
song,
yeah.
we're ready. If a
Anything,
Batman song,
any one
we're
of
ready.
them,
So
yeah.
me don't like it how they make we have to just work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know? Get to work. Me like that. That's
Yeah.
music.
Yeah, man. That round was probably one of the most interesting rounds in the whole night.
Yeah.
I mean, it really showed some people's size
Who
and
can
really
play-
boiled
who
down
can
some
play
people
music,
also.
yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Because I expected a bit better from like Laser Force and these guys, but again, I don't know how prepared you are coming into something that you really don't know. You know what I mean? Because Laser Force, they
Well,
have
listen
music
to me.
on their-
Now, I
Yeah,
tell you
man.
this,
Yeah.
muscle. This is not something really I think you have to know.
Yeah.
If you get a ganja segment, come on, man.
Yeah.
You have to play some God tune.
That's elementary.
It's come on.
Yeah.
Just look on it.
Yeah.
So something went wrong, you know?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was true. Plus the song was acting funny at that time too.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And it's for some reason it seemed like you didn't really that didn't affect you guys.
No.
No,
You know what I
because
mean?
we know about sound, you know.
Them a cuss
You understand?
sound,
Because
Yeah.
we know how it feels for own a sound, you know.
Yeah.
You understand? But none of these selectors don't know how it feels
Not
to
even
own a
that. Our
sound.
own a sound. Too.
Yeah.
See,
We
we
have a
own
little
sound.
yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So if you imagine somebody are playing your sound and it break down,
Yeah.
you know how bad you feel.
Yeah.
And then we are playing on the sound now, and for us to cuss the sound owner and a cuss the sound,
yeah.
it doesn't make sense
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
remember, say when the night done, you know, that man who string up the sound, you know, have to pay them man they will to lift up the box and thing, you know, and you know, easy, you know. Half of these DJ where I play today and a sound system don't even lift up a sound box before, you know.
Yeah.
No.
None of
Sound
them.
box is not even a record.
A
box.
record,
I think
You know what I
record
mean?
box.
yeah.
So
yeah.
it's not fair for me to go on a stage to cuss the sound and cuss the man who carry the sound come the come play.
Yeah.
Me can't do that because remember say everybody have to eat, you know. Everybody have to eat. So when me cuss that now and thing and what gonna happen? And then me go put a doubt in the people that mind in the
Yes,
venue.
about
now.
the sound.
So the sound, this and the sound, that.
Yeah.
Things do happen because if you play upon a sound and your sound over here and a man over there start play a theme sound and him say, yo, me no want you upon your sound. All you have to simply say, people, me tweet at them lick, but me go kill them, see them over here.
Yeah, man.
Them I go give show you more. You know?
Yeah, them-
yeah.
yeah.
Fight to do you have.
Yeah. Because I think that is what you guys mastered. You never came in the game to be a super song with 10,000 of this and 20,000 of this.
No.
It's entertainment value. That's why I think some of the people them took a bit longer to really recognize what Mystic is really about. Because they think it's just super songs.
Super
You know what I
song,
mean?
yeah.
A man's going to come with a Chronic, Damon Marley and somebody else in combo and all of these stuff here. You know what I mean? And they're forgetting the entertainment value.
Value after that.
You know what I
yeah.
mean? And that's what it is. Because right now, this isn't like one time where if you didn't have somebody to call in Jamaica for a dub, you're not getting no dubs. Right now, people are in China or Japan. All they have to do is go on Facebook, link somebody,
up something,
send to
yeah.
email, Western Union the money, a man's emailing back your song, and you've never talked to this person one day in your entire life. So then, if you say now the playing field is even, so we all have songs now.
Yeah.
So then what are we going to do with the songs?
With the songs,
Exactly.
yeah, you know,
That's the real
you
difference
have
right
to sound no have sense.
Yeah, and that's really what it comes
Yeah,
down to.
you know?
And I think from what we've seen on Saturday night, that's going to really change the game, and people are going to realize, listen, this is an entertainment value is what we're talking about.
Yeah.
Clearly, you have to have dubs.
You have to.
Clearly.
You have
You know
to.
what I mean?
You
Yeah.
can't
Clearly.
entertain all night and win a dance.
No.
Yeah,
You know what I
the
mean?
People want to hear music
Of
too.
course. You know what I mean? But you guys had a good spread of everything. Could I ask you guys too, in the Badman room, I would swear I heard you guys play a Super Cat on dub. Did I hear things or
No.
Yeah.
I tell you where them a play, man, you know? You where them a play so like no, man.
45.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mike, I said, what? Okay, so then I said, wow, what's going on there? So, okay, now let's get to the real meat and potatoes of the situation now. We know right now in World Clash, there's only 2 confirmed sounds right now,
Yeah.
which is you guys
Mystic, King Turbo.
and King Turbo.
Yeah.
All right. What's up with that situation there? What are you guys worried about Turbo? You're not worried about Turbo? Talk to me. What are you guys doing about that situation right there?
Yeah, well, we're not worried, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me like
Nah,
it.
worry.
Me like it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's nice,
because
you know? Yeah.
Turbo been on the World Clash stage and them a 2-time
Yeah.
champion. So we know for us go in and do our
Do
thing.
what we have to do, yeah.
Go and
you know?
please the people them, please the fans.
Yeah.
That's
Do
what
what
it
the
takes,
people
you know.
mind,
Go
you know,
play
yeah.
music
From
and
there.
do it to our best. You
Take it
understand?
from there.
Yeah.
Do you think it's going to be a advantage because you're in the city or a disadvantage because you're in the city? Because remember, if you're in New York now, it's totally almost neutral. There's nobody from here, nobody from here. We're on foreign land. In Canada now, it's a different story. We're all on home turf.
Yeah.
So do you think it's going to matter whoever wins the other Rumbles, that's going to kind of switch up the program, or you don't even care about that? A win, you come for win.
No.
They are yard in a muscle.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're at home.
Yeah.
We're waiting for them. So we're there, so we have to defend we yard. Yeah. I just desolate them.
And that's what it comes down to.
Yeah, defend Canada straight.
What's your take on Turbo as a 2-time World Class champion that you guys have to go clash with now?
Well, when the night forward, you know.
When they reach a bridge, they will
Yeah.
cross it.
Yeah. When the night forward, you know, and we see them
Yeah.
game plan and, you know,
Oh,
how it
yeah.
set out and thing and ready for push with us, push and deal with it. Have to deal with it
Yeah, we
because
don't miss.
Turbo is a veteran son and
Yeah.
them are 2-time champion, so we have to respect that, you know. So all we have to do now with their World Clash, so us go in there and deal with it, you know.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah, deal with it because of that.
Yeah.
We win Rumble if we go do.
You didn't
I
come
just
here
say,
to juggle. You came here to kill.
We're not coming to look for nobody and rare. So,
Yeah.
you know, he did it, so we have to go and do it.
Yeah. It's every man Jack for themselves and God for us all. You know what I mean?
Straight up.
When it comes down to it. That's interesting still because right now I know you guys are guaranteed World Clash and guaranteed next year's Rumble also.
Exactly.
So you have 2 big things 100% for sure.
Exactly.
You know what I mean?
Same way.
Outside of that, what are some dates or some places that you're looking forward to? Is there anywhere in particular you want to go and either juggle or clash? Anywhere.
Like anywhere, yeah, like anywhere in Toronto, because we juggle all over. We don't like to go out of town like Hamilton and them places, like spread your wings and
Even further than
Yeah.
are you looking forward to, like, say you want to go to like a Japan, a European tour, a New
Yeah,
York
definitely,
or,
yeah.
Yeah.
yeah, man, UK, the whole of them places,
Yeah.
even Africa.
Of course.
Yeah, you know, spread your wings and go do the thing, you know.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
really see what's out there.
Punch them.
Yeah.
Tell up, can you have a date them line up, you know?
Yeah. And data come in already, so
Yeah.
we get couple calls, you know, we get calls from UK and them places already, you know.
Don't you see how quickly things move nowadays?
Yeah.
It's like you won tonight, and I seen you guys had like an interview the next day.
Yeah.
It was with something, and they added. I said, "Wow, things are moving quick." You know what I mean? And
The
especially,
Observer.
yes,
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And especially with the advent of the internet and social media, how do you think that has helped you guys as a sound? Do you think it has helped, hindered? What's your take on that there?
Yeah, man, it helped, man. Because guess what now, no? And I like one time when things now push out and people now see what go on,
Yeah,
you know?
yeah, them a
the
see
world,
now,
I see,
yeah.
because remember, say, everybody, you know, everybody have a device phone, you know, so as they look, them take up Instagram,
Yeah.
look, them see what go on, them see this big old bright pretty trophy.
One time.
What go on, Canada. Oh, Mystic win Canada Rumble.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, man, them deserve it, man. A long time, them a try, man. Every minute, them send them look money for them dog plate, so for them time now, you know, so it kind of help because, watch this, for instance, look Panal Gully Bap. I walk, the man I walk out of Gully, you know, and somebody video him, you know,
Yeah.
and it go viral, you know, and the man just start travel and do him thing, you know.
Just like that.
So you see it, music not live a no man yard. You understand? Just one look camera phone.
Yeah.
And Gully Bap gone. You
Just
see
like
it?
that.
And then we up on this stage with one only pretty camera and
Yeah.
when we look we see this big old banner Canada Rumble.
Canada Rumble, yeah.
This stage
That's
with
good,
really-
yeah.
Remember saying, you know, when me a clash, you know?
Yeah.
Where do you know? The dance of me playing, I know. They look at dance, you know, they never have no stage, you know, it's a table, you know, me nearly drop off, I know.
But you're notorious for jumping on things.
Yeah.
That's you. You're
Yeah.
You're nimble, so you're notorious for box, as you said, railing, anything. There's something to hold on to. Believe you me, Tyrone is gonna be there.
And music to them thing there, no,
Of
sir.
course. It's the energy.
Music,
You
you know.
didn't plan on doing it.
No,
know.
sir.
It's the music jumped in you and then you just jumped
That's,
up.
yeah,
Yeah.
let's do it.
I know.
Yeah.
I trust me. I
The
know.
music to them thing that me I say, look the man. Why me I tell you the Almighty is strong though.
Yeah, for sure.
Strong man, yeah man. Put a energy there man. Say, yeah, go and go do it.
Yeah.
I me shoot it around there, I play music. You know, and the people them a jump and I say, yeah, and that's what we want, you know. So some youth, when the youth them see it now, them say, yeah, I wanna be like Tyrone or even better, you know.
Yeah.
Yo, them on the jump on speaker box. So we may go jump on next.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
That's
No,
what the thing
when
said.
it comes to that type of energy, that's 100% you. I don't see anybody with that type of energy. Mm-mm. You know what I mean? That's amazing right there. So then now we know that Sound Clash has been around a long time now. All right. But me personally, I'm finding that it hasn't been modernized or bring anybody new into the fold. As in, you'll have the same crowd going to the clashes year after year. They're not really bringing in no new blood. What do you think you guys could do to modernize Sound Clash and the way how it's done right now?
You know, you see the thing there where China do?
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah.
That 45 thing there. Yeah. Because a lot of these sounds, them a cut this bag of big dub plate and them can't play for the people. Them.
Yeah.
So them need to go start juggle too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me that put a rule on Clash where you have to play 245 too. If it come down to the test. Because the people them want to vibe, the bag of boring dub plate them. You know, who approve, who have bad rhythm and it no work again.
Yeah.
People them want entertainment.
100%.
Yeah.
And also, too, when you really look upon it, too, it kind of draws some of the women them for come and
Yeah.
clash, too.
Of course, but
Yeah.
that's what it
Yeah.
comes down to. How you're going to get some more people? How do you think you
Yeah.
could get like some 19, 20, 21-year-old people involved in this thing here that's been going on from before they were even born, from before their mom met their dad? You know what I mean? It's like that's really what it was.
Yeah.
One of my suggestions that I've always had, but I've never really seen anybody do it, was some video dubs where you have a juggling, a customs now, but they're all videos. You see what I'm saying? Where it's like, okay, you're now seeing it on screen. You're seeing Killa on screen, Mavado on screen, whoever on the screen, dissing this man here as a video dub. That right there is modern technology. We're in 2018 going into 2020. The way how Clash, but as I said, we could see that they're trying, but to really bring it up to speed, you have to do something really eye-catching. Something that's going to say, I never seen that before. Something that's going to make you tour the world from doing this. People want you to come to do this. Like when Jaro used to come, you wanted to hear the Tenasa.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Sure.
If Jaro came and they didn't play the Tenasa, Jaro didn't come.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? That's what I think. Me personally, I think some video dubs have a juggling. If anybody goes into a clash right now with a 5-10 minutes of a juggling of video dubs, it would change the whole landscape one time. You know what I mean?
Video dub.
Video
There's
dub.
a video and play same time.
Yeah. You know what I mean? Video, and it's possible. You could even, it's so possible that it can be even played off your
The
phone.
thing with the artists,
I mean?
them you know too. It's
It's hard to deal with.
It's but then
It's hard
that's
enough just
but
to get
then
the song.
that's why. But that's why it would make it so because we all know they're hard to get. So then you know you can't
the
send.
artists them a voice in a car nowadays and send come pick people.
Yeah.
Yeah, and a man, yeah, understand what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, and them
That's
thing
where
they
it's
so-
at right now.
Yeah, I mean a car
Wow.
sit down a voice your dub plate and
That's what it is.
yeah, so
Yeah.
you not if I get no good quality again,
That's
certain way, you know.
Yeah. You would never think that, but with the video dubs, you know, okay,
No, video
because
dubs
everybody
don't
knows
have
that it's hard. So then now you would have to go and set your program directly. You couldn't really send for it. You would have to go and almost. You've now become a video director.
Yeah, you'd have to
You know what I
do
mean?
that yourself
Yes,
and all the
that's-
editing and all
yes,
them
but then
things
that's
like,
what
yeah.
I'm saying. You see what you're saying. You see how hard it is to capture. So then, from you get it now. Now I done this. Nobody's gonna really follow behind me and do this so easily because it's not something easy to do. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then you'll tour the world after that. People are like, holy smokes. These guys have almost like a music video from Bunty, a music video from Popcorn, a music video from Movado. And these are dubs. These are even custom sometimes, where you're dissing up the man, where you could see the artist dissing up the next sound. You know what kind of impact that would have? You know what I mean? That would be a totally different ballgame.
Yeah.
So again, that's hey. I just putting it out there.
Yeah,
you never know.
You never know. You know, yeah.
What else are you guys looking forward to right now? What's the mind state to get to World Clash right now? Where are you guys thinking right now? What do you guys have on your mind?
Right now, for us, cut some more song, right now,
Yeah.
And just that, there's some different ideas now.
Yeah.
To approach a world stage different, From like I could approach Rumble, we just say, yeah, we got to turn up the notch a little bit more because this is like a sieve out,
Yeah.
Sieve out, so see some big guns coming blazing, so we have to shoot and look back from where we do Rumble and just say, we have to deal with this, fix up certain things, and yeah, man, get it together and go deal with it. That's like how it is.
Yeah. And the good thing with it is you have enough time because World Clash is when? October or November? October, yeah. So that's basically the other half of the year.
Yeah.
So we're here now. So then you could take your time and really formulate some strategies and really come up with it. You know what I mean?
I've a couple months,
Yeah. Would you guys take any clashes, whether they be Canada, local, or anywhere before World Clash?
Not it. We would take one in Canada.
You wouldn't take one here right now?
Before World Clash,
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what you think there. Or what if it was right? What if they gave you the right song with the right price?
Yeah.
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 The right price, the right sound, but
But generally, that's not really where you're looking for right now. Canada.
World Clash.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's where it is.
What can we expect from you guys in World Clash?
A lot of surprise.
Yeah.
Because we even have songs from we never play around.
We never get to play
We
around.
never get to play around. Because, and we still, we cut for Rumble and we never get chance to play half of the song them.
Yeah.
Because we're going there with a game plan. Because even with the mystery round, we could have speech with that round.
Yeah, wicked.
But why you juggle and play a bag of song and you're busting the place and time is running?
No, man, you take your time.
Yeah.
That's the art of playing song is lost on a lot of songs now.
Yeah.
Everybody thinks it's just a fast.
Yeah, go prove,
you know what I mean?
Yeah.
No, you got to take your time. And listen have you guys listened how Bass Odyssey and those songs play? To this day, they're not into that super speed way of playing,
Pace is
Pace is still.
But when they're playing now, it's a totally different energy.
Exactly.
You know what I mean?
So you have time to, all right, and deal with it,
But when it's just speed, there's time and place for everything.
Everything, yeah. Because you have that time too when you're going to,
Get them the speed juggle. Yeah,
get out some tune quick because you want,
Because Mighty Crown was the one that really kind of invented that speed way of juggling. But they had like five songs that they would juggle like that. And then they'll just settle down and juggle. But then everybody said, you know what, they want to play their entire rounds. Like, you can't. Does it make sense to really spend all this big money just to play 5 seconds of your dub?
You know
what I mean? No, for real. That doesn't make any sense. Because what are you going to do? You know what I mean? Let me switch it up on you guys here now. I want to hear from you guys on this. This is totally different, random way. You know they have fantasy football and fantasy sports. We have, right now I have a segment called Fantasy Sound Business. If you could take a MC, a dub box, and a selector to build one perfect song, whether they're Canadian, American, or wherever they're from, outside of Mystic, who would your 3 picks be to build that perfect song?
You say
MC, dub box, and selector.
And
to build
Is
a
that
perfect
active right
song.
now or above anytime?
Either or either. This is fantasy, so we're just looking at, okay, you know what, this seems like this would be the best thing to do.
build a song.
Why?
Well, I play Mystic, so I don't know. I don't know if you can answer that.
Fantasy, I can answer that. I would say Addy's dub box.
Yeah.
I would say Panther on the mic.
Yeah.
And Mark
Yeah.
from Bass Odyssey.
That would be a
That
wow.
would- Yeah.
that bad.
Yeah. You know what I mean? How about you, Tyro?
Right now, me that say, A Ricky Trooper.
Yeah.
Kilimanjaro box.
Yeah.
Right? yeah. And I like how when in the Freddie and Trooper player,
Yeah.
and then you was the Panjaro.
Yeah.
So I like that thing there.
So you're 100% gyro.
Yeah. yeah.
White Hop. I mean,
Yeah.
you Fabian,
Gyro,
what would you say?
My one,
Yeah.
Mystic Sound.
Yeah.
Outside.
outside. Hold on. We know the obvious, you know. Outside of me, we're talking fantasy right now. Again, it could be Canadian, European, Jamaica. It doesn't matter. You know what I mean? It doesn't matter.
Yeah, you me I go down. Which song I can go for, you know?
Yeah.
Go for my song.
Yeah.
Alright, you know. See a bass of this,
Yeah.
and
Based on to see what the dub box.
dub box.
Okay.
Yeah. With I'm gonna get a dub box then now. I'm gonna get that.
Yeah.
You know what? Me gonna left the one. Me gonna left the fantasy one. That one yeah, me gonna
We
left
da get to
the
play.
dub box. Yeah, you know.
Okay, so then let me take
Yeah,
you back
man.
to your box then. What are some of your favorite dubs in your box and why?
I like all of my dub play.
Yeah.
Box.
There- I know you like all of them, you know,
Yeah,
but you have
but
to
the
have some
favorite-
favorites. One that you know what I love this dub, and it
The-
could be
the
a
one-
small dub that we've never heard before.
The
You know?
one who killed Climax one night.
Yeah.
Artist that were dead. Him name? Michael Prophet.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
that one there. I can't lie, that surprised the hell out of me. I was like, what?
And you know the funny thing about that song?
Yeah.
We just voiced that song.
Yeah.
No, seriously, we just voiced that song August of last year.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, you know,
Yeah,
you see how things work. It was
yeah,
August of
in
last
August,
year.
'cause we played
Yeah.
September.
We
Yeah.
played
And that song took so long to come in.
Yeah.
So long. We're cussing, man, saying, yo,
Yeah.
where the tune, where the tune,
Yeah,
where the
but-
tune.
Yeah.
And it finally came in.
Yeah.
And I think that the artist was sick at the time,
Yeah.
too,
Yes,
so
yes.
that's why it kind of
Yeah.
takes so long for we get it, you know.
That's crazy right there. How about you, Tyrone? What's some of your favorite dubs in your box?
All right. Some of my favorite dub play them not the
Yeah.
box.
Yeah.
You see Baby Sham them.
Yeah.
Yeah. The Mumpada of them and
Yeah.
the Luciana them. Yeah.
Especially those ones, were you there with the artist, or those are some that you actually sent for?
The Baby Sham them cut here.
Okay.
Yeah. So them there, our Baby Sham does have him Wow album.
Yeah.
Yeah, we cut 4 dub plate for we. And when we get them 4 dub plate there, no sound no one clash with.
Yeah.
Only one sound they toss up on them dub plate there wicked. And when we da play in one place down on Jane Street there, so we're supposed to be the juggling sound and the dance.
Yeah.
And Ghetto Can and some other sound is supposed to clash. Right? And the sound them not come at the dance. So Ghetto Can turn pan way and say, so like how the sound in the day, I Mystic, if you go take some beat, you know. I mean, I say, no. And I
Not
say,
tonight.
yeah, no, because
Not
if my
tonight.
father can't beat me, I owe you. See? So them dead and we tough up some bounty killer. Me see the man them go some braps and dip in one dub box and take out a jammies dub plate, you know.
Yeah.
Wax fair playing on the man, turn it over, you know.
Yeah.
And when me look, me see this big blue jammies dub plate, and
Yeah.
then take it out, you know, and the man I look for me, say, no label on the pan dub, you know. No label, me don't know the man knows say a bounty killer, you know, but
Yeah.
no label on the pan dub, and he put it on the turntable.
Yeah.
He say, you, get to can. Big a man from down the lane. I mean, I say, what? I me turn, you know, that time me and Fabian alone, they are the dance, you know.
Yeah.
I me turn and me and say, bounty will not play, and Baby Sean, hot
Hot
now.
now.
I want to have groundsman pan dub.
Yeah.
He said,
Big,
I'm
big
going
shot.
to drop. And them say, yeah, wow, wow.
Yeah.
Because enough people can't play wow, wow. Baby Sham don't play up to
Yeah.
today this day. You know.
Okay.
Them play, can you hear me now?
Yes, that's true. That is true.
Then can't play wow, wow.
Yeah.
Them play, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Right? And when we put on that and Baby Sham say, wow, wow. And the secret him kick off.
Yeah.
And they say, we and them not war, man. Could have never spar, man. Said that. And the secret him around, do. They play a steer down.
Yeah.
You see by a man, in the morning, get to can them send call way.
Yeah.
I go up at the lane.
Yeah.
And the man them say, yo, get to can them want to see you. I will left, I will walk, go up there. You see from that, we are walk go through the lane. The man them see you, the man them mystic man, them are bad man. Yeah, can you imagine we clash? Ghetto can sound, cause you know ghetto can sound.
Yeah, of course, of course.
See,
Rugi strings,
Yeah.
Grim 19 and
The
all
whole of
over
them,
there. Yes,
you
man.
know them sound. Me come here history about them. See, then the sound they not play.
Yeah.
And then for we, you know,
Yeah.
I step up and then sound like, I clash the man them, you know.
Yeah.
And when you look at you see a whole heap of lane man said
Yeah,
so.
man.
And I just two away alone, the man them say them boy are brave.
Yeah.
You see from that, everything we get to can them a keep up the mystic up on it.
Yeah.
So I just said, so I feel big up Baby Sham can give a 4 song and make enough I sound them afraid that way, boy, yeah.
You see?
Yeah, man.
It's about what you have and how you play what you have. And that's really what it comes down to. And you've proven it time and time and time again.
Straight up.
Use what you have, you know.
You can't
Do what
use
you
what
have
you
for them.
don't have. How am I going to play something I don't have? I don't have it. So I can't
Exactly.
do nothing about it. You know what I mean? And that's really the amazing part. Tell me one of the clashes. Give me 2. I'm going to ask you. A clash where a song gave you the hardest fight. Where you said, you know what, we got to work tonight. And you actually won the dance. But they gave you the hardest fight.
It's Terror 5 dance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
That
all
was
on there.
September last year.
He
Yeah.
have everybody pan dub plate. He have from Tennessee go right down to nitty gritty to Tennessee, go right back to Dennis Brown, Garnet, Seal, Paned.
Yeah.
He have everybody pan dub plate. That's on there. Stereo 5.
Yeah.
Bad sound. See in hand. Me I tell you say, I saw them make we have to play.
Yeah.
Even Rumble we go on with them, me I tell you say, we do Rumble, but the dance there.
Yeah,
me
dance
nah
there.
lie.
And that was a...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Make we have to go in our box and play music.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
That's so crazy. And the fact that you actually overcame somebody playing Tennessee, nitty gritty, and all of those things there.
Wow.
That's amazing. What did you have to do to actually win that dance? Where did you see the dance turn around and you say, okay, you know what? We're gone with it now.
The lead to, where the dance? What we play? Tune for tune? The dance.
Yeah, we play tune for tune.
Okay.
Yeah. But here we use and turn the dance span him. Because you see, true, we know him have them song there because we listen to him, you know, before, you know, because he did have a clash with a sound on one of them places.
Where the last
Where the sound, him have a clash.
Antigua? Not Antigua.
Not Antigua, one of the Virgin Island.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right, I will listen to him and we say, oh, him have them song there, so we say, all right, him have the Paned, the man, him have the Garnet, the man, the Rere. So we say, you know what? We have one Grinds man. And you see, true, we know Grinds man and Paned them in at the same time. We save the Grinds man.
Yeah.
So when him play for him, Paned now,
Yeah.
and think we have something for match up back with him there, so. So once him play that man and him get him forward, I will come in, I will steal around there with the Grinds man coming in, the Grinds man. I big up the whole of Canada and thing. We get the crowd per our side.
The same one from Rumble.
Yeah,
the other night.
yeah, that same one there. See, that's how I say we say, you know what, we could put the anthem out there. See, so when people hear the Grindsman, them say, yo, Mystic, turn on. You understand? So you see, from that now, King Atani drop out of the dance because we got match up back with him now.
Yeah.
With him thing, so dub for dub in the dance now.
So it came down to you and Stir 5. Dub
Yeah,
for dub.
dub for dub, yeah.
Okay, so Atani really has a problem with you.
For real.
So we kill him less than a couple months ago, man. Man, catch him back
And the
again.
thing with it, Atani's not an easy sound to go
No,
around.
no.
Junior
And that
D
is
and them is not easy selected to go around.
No, man, and the youth a pang. We play the
Pang,
sound
the youth
too.
play the sound
Yeah,
and the
man.
youth pang, yeah, man.
Yeah, man, the youth they know it, man. Yeah, man.
It's just, you guys just happen to have their number. You know what I mean? It's like, wow. So you guys went dub for dub with Stir
Terror
5.
5.
Okay. And was it a straight winning where it's something you had to work for? What was the outcome of that answer?
Was it 6-2 or something like that? 6-4?
6-3. 6-3 come down to last another tune for
Yeah.
tune we and him, yeah.
Yeah.
Better
Better
what, 10, I
Yeah,
guess.
so it would be
or
the
something like
first
that.
first to six then.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then that's where you really whop them around there.
Yeah, man, because at the same thing what you say now. You see what you say at Rumble with there. I the same thing reach him because when him draw some song, you know, him size down in box, you know. And say, "Cho, like a sound."
Yeah.
But when he go hear the song, then we are playing, I say, "What?" So when him start dropping big guns, them
Too late.
People
late.
don't want to hear them,
Yeah.
yeah.
Because it seems like now you're trying to come back and match back the little
Exactly.
song. You know what I mean? If you had started that way, so then now the little song has to match me, it would have been a different ball. game.
Exactly.
But then now he's trying to match back the little
Him
song.
actually try it, you know.
Yeah.
Him play one group there.
The Shy Lights.
The
The Manhattans,
Manhattans,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the most first song.
big
Okay.
group, them play
Yeah.
first song. And I say, where am I going with, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's
Big
just,
league, you know?
Yeah. But it's
Yeah,
just sometimes being the humble sound, the ghetto sound, the underdog
Yeah.
song is sometimes the best place to be as long as you could continue to show and prove. You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
the people them must see, you know, and the people them see it.
So
Them
it's
not
up to we
blind.
because
Yeah.
if we did it and the people them say, yo, you guys come give them music. If we're not giving them
once you
music,
give
you know,
them,
we'll
yeah,
get moving
yeah,
because
yeah.
remember say even at the Rumble, you know, when we
Yeah.
go play the Alton Ellis, you know,
Yeah.
and the people them wait probably like them and say, come on, you guys, you have music can play.
Play, yeah.
Boom. So when we get that now, see my face, yeah? So me
Yeah,
I say,
and music,
Yeah,
yeah,
and
yeah,
music,
yeah.
so the crowd I say,
Yeah.
come
Yeah,
on,
yeah,
do better.
do better, yeah.
So, you know, it's only fair.
Yeah.
Do better.
You know better, do better. You have
Yeah.
better, do better. And that's what it
Cause
really
they
came
boo
down
them make we feel,
Yeah.
yo, no, Tyron, we had no more boo, you know.
But the way
We
how
have
everything
to
was
dig
moving
from
quick,
that, yeah.
it seemed like it was you guys were just on point. You knew what was going on.
Yeah.
There was no you didn't look like you were up there not knowing what was going on.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Even if that's what you felt in your heart, you didn't show that out to the crowd.
No, we are right still.
Yeah.
Yeah, just like how you see it,
Yeah.
we are, yeah.
Because
Because the
if-
music, see the laptop in front of me.
Yeah.
Tune for tune segment.
Yeah.
Some of us are wait for you when I play for corner him. That's
Yeah.
all we're doing.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
what we are trying to do in other dance, you know,
Yeah.
we don't want to try to play too much big dub,
dubs,
and we
like-
don't want to try to play too much small dubs.
Try to
In the-
keep
in the
it-
middle
yeah.
right there with the
Get
right tempo, that
everybody,
always
Yeah.
works.
get
Listen.
everybody on the same
Yeah.
dance, pan it, you know.
Yeah.
Try connect with everybody one time, yeah.
Yeah, being in that middle, that space right
Yeah.
there, always works. You know what I mean? You're not trying to show
No,
off,
I'm
but you're
not-
showing
not
them, hey,
pro- yeah.
I have it too, you know. You know what I mean? If I need to, but I'm going to stay right here and just keep it moving.
Yeah.
It's working,
Yeah.
you know.
So why would you change? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
After this, some man is going to come, so you need to go spend like 30,000 before you go to World Clash. Listen to me. You probably need to spend 1,000 to get to World
Yeah,
Clash.
well, man.
As long as you keep the same
Yeah.
energy,
Yeah.
performance, and vibe.
It's 10 minutes juggling, same way like Rumble the other day.
Yeah.
What,
Same-
what's so
exact
big
same
up?
format.
What's the difference?
Yeah.
It's just that you gotta meet different sound now, and you know everybody them a come a world clash. This
Hey,
thing.
this
Yeah.
is
It's
the
a
big
world
league.
clash,
Them a
but
come to Canada, them a
we're
come
ready.
to our place,
We're
yeah.
ready enough, so. Yeah,
them a
we're
come
ready
to our
enough, so.
place, so them know say here and now,
Yeah.
that sound they have a energy in us, so
Yeah,
make we go up there with that energy and show them energy. So we know where them a come, them a forward with, so we have to depend on our guard, because we're there we yard.
yeah.
You know? Yeah.
Because when it comes to target on your back, it's between you and King Turbo that has the biggest target on their back, right?
Right
Exactly.
now because
You know
they're
what I mean?
coming for it, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And you're at home.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? So it's a doubly.
Yeah.
They're gonna come hard, really hard. Yeah.
Yeah, but you're ready for them.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man. Ready up, man.
Them forward, man.
I
We
can't
there
wait.
for
Yeah.
them, man.
And
Because-
music, you know. Yeah, man. Just give me the laptop.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
And
I
you deal
play
with
them.
it.
Yo, Tyrone.
Yeah.
This I come.
yeah,
Do what you do.
yeah.
The people them
That's
want
it.
hear it, so we have to go there
We
and
not,
give
we
them
not,
deliver.
we not plan it or nothing.
Yeah.
Give me the music, Tyrone. Go and go do it. I don't read me. This I come. And him know what to do.
You guys connect like almost like the new Mark and Squingy of right now. That your vibe is just different. You just know. You know when you
Yeah.
just know something. I know my box. He knows my box. I know my select. I know my MC. They're gonna really hold it. You know what I mean? So then definitely we're gonna be looking out for Mystic for World Clash 2018.
Yeah.
All right. Let me give you guys, before I get you guys out of here, this round is called the Rapid Facts. All right. I'm just gonna ask you some quick questions,
Yeah.
and you're just gonna shoot out the answers one time. All right. We're gonna go this way.
Yeah.
All right. What's the wallpaper on your phone right now?
The wallpaper on my phone?
Yeah.
The trophy.
All right. Randy.
My daughter.
All right.
I made mine blank.
Yeah.
Yeah, just a yellow, just a bright yellow on it. A bright yellow
Yeah, you
picture.
just keep it normal. What was the last thing you Googled?
Me?
Yeah.
The Google. The dance.
Yeah.
You? Boy, I don't really use Google that much. You know,
Yeah.
so I couldn't even tell you.
Okay.
SoundCloud.
SoundCloud. Got you. Makes sense. Okay, let's get to some food. Ackee and saltfish or callaloo and saltfish?
Callaloo and saltfish.
Are you with that?
Ackee and saltfish.
Yeah.
Aki.
Ackee.
Yeah.
So 2 for Ackee, 1 for callaloo.
Your blood, you know?
Yeah. Who was the last person you called or text?
Me?
Yeah.
I not do no texting family, but who the last person I call? No, them call me.
Yeah.
Yeah, them call me. Yeah.
You?
Boy, actually was a promoter in the States.
Yeah.
Yeah, trying to line up some stuff and trying to...
Got you. Fabian?
I my last person I called not too long ago, you know. When they put my way forward.
To the east.
Yeah, east side.
All right. Where was the last place you went on vacation besides Jamaica?
Vacation.
Yeah.
About 4 years now when I do a vacation.
Yeah, but where was the last one?
Not Jamaica.
Yeah.
Not Jamaica. But Jamaica.
Yeah, that was the last one.
Yeah.
Randy.
Last summer I had a family reunion in Pennsylvania.
Okay.
Yeah, so
That was you.
yeah.
Fabian.
Well, same thing. Jamaica, my last
Yeah.
vacation. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You say you don't really venture outside of what's going on there.
Yeah.
Okay. If you weren't playing song, what would your hobby be?
Soccer player.
Soccer.
Yeah.
You're bad on it.
Yeah, man.
That's you. All right.
Chef, cooking.
That's
know?
you.
Yeah.
For me,
Yeah.
you know, me that work, I do some strong working, you know,
Yeah.
somewhere I do something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. What song's playing in your car right now? The last song, as you turned off the car, that's the last song that was playing.
You know, sir, the last time I played a while ago is Tristan Palmer, Joker Smoker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big song. Big song. Yeah.
Boy, what's the last song? Dennis Brown, Love and Hate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's you.
Massacre.
Yeah.
They don't know.
Right. So 2 foundation, 1 new dance hall.
They don't know. My God.
Did you guys play any Massacre the other night?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
'Cause I know when it comes to the cutting edge and the new guys,
Yeah.
you guys always. That's
Yeah.
always you guys. Doesn't matter how big or how small,
Yeah.
you guys have it up like that. All right. What do
Yeah,
you
they
prefer
use
to
them.
do? Sound clash or juggling?
Both of them.
You have to have a preference.
Have you ever preference?
Yeah.
Sound clash.
Sound clash?
Juggling.
Yeah.
That one that tough too, you
Yeah.
know. What? Yeah, because between the song, right now a clash.
Yeah.
Yeah, right now
Okay.
a clash. Yeah,
2 clash,
right
1
now.
juggling.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So you guys, it's basically you love what you do. You guys could fit in anything. If you say,
Yeah.
okay, it's juggling time, it's juggling,
Juggling time,
If it's
ready.
clash time, it's clash
Clash
time.
time.
You can make it happen. All right. Who is your favorite sound of all times? I know what you're going to say, but I just want to hear you say it.
My favorite-
Outside of Mystic, who's your favorite sound that you looked up to of all times?
You know, my favorite song is Jam Rock.
Jamrock.
Yeah.
You know, I thought you were going to say Jaro.
No, Jam Rock.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jam Rock is my favorite
With
song.
with Redman, Dope
Yeah,
Daps, Chullops.
Yeah. Jam Rock. Yeah, my dub plate sound where
Yeah.
juggling
Yeah.
and
No,
you know,
Jamrock was
Jara the
bad.
killing sound, you
Yeah.
know?
Yeah.
Yeah. And Silver Arc
Yes.
killing sound. But when it comes to juggling and playing dub and Jam Rock, you know, and then bass addition come after now, you know?
Definitely. Randy?
I'm gonna go with the first one that I really that kind of made me fall in love with like dancehall and
Yeah.
reggae was Roadstar.
Yeah.
When Ian was on that.
Big song. Of
Yeah.
course. You know what I mean? Just the way how he put together the juggling.
Yeah.
It was just different at that time.
Yeah.
It was the art of juggling that was around. That was like Ian from Roadstar, Gemini with Glamour Wayne, Rory with Stone Love, Metro Media with Sky Juice. All of them, they had that style of juggling. Inner City with Dragon and Mark and Wally and all of them. So it was that type of vibe. You know what I mean? Your song, Fabia.
Jara, man.
Yeah, for sure. Kilimanjaro.
Yeah.
One word you say too much.
One word me said too much?
Yeah.
Say a whole heap of things, Say a whole heap of things,
Is it too much?
One word you just said too much. It's like, you know what? That's Tyrone's word.
Wow, a whole heap of words me say, One word me said too much.
They have both said.
Yeah, that one they are busted. That one they busted. Yeah, come say a whole heap of things. Yeah. He's a chatter like that. And a one word and many words, you know?
I hear you. Man of many words.
Yeah.
I hear you, Randy.
Well, I don't have an answer for that one.
Yeah. You must have a word that you say too much.
Well, probably a cuss word if anything.
It doesn't matter. Go ahead. Tell me.
Probably. You don't want to say it. You
Yeah.
know, like something you really want. You know?
No, well, if somebody had asked me, my word is guy. Everything to me is guy.
Yeah.
I mean, I even call my wife guy because it's not a gender. It's just a thing, guy.
thing,
You know what I mean?
okay,
That's
yeah.
my word there. You guys are funny. Early bird or late owl?
Yeah, for early.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Always early.
Definitely, yeah.
Get up and go on. Do it,
Okay.
you know?
Yeah.
Early.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you would bleach too if you need to bleach. But you're
Yeah,
definitely
but
an
early,
riser.
yeah.
Yeah, definitely. I could understand that one there. That makes sense. Okay. And for social media, which one do you prefer? Instagram or Facebook?
Instagram.
That's your thing.
Yeah, Instagram.
Yeah.
Instagram.
Are you guys really heavily involved or you just post here and there and do your thing when it comes to social media?
We involved. I like it. Come like the fast. And see what I go on, you know? I will post more time on, you know?
Yeah.
Look and see what I go on in the world, you know? So,
Keep it active.
yeah.
So
It's what's in, you know?
Are all three of you guys on social media?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your name on social media?
Tyrone Mystic.
Tyrone Mystic.
ACA 2011.
Okay.
To the top mystic.
To the top Mystic.
Yeah.
All right. So when they're looking for you online on Instagram, they want to
Tyrone
book you
Mystic.
for anything, whether it be local or international, they could search any one of those three handles and get hold of you.
Yeah.
All right. So then now we're going to go one more round, and then we're going to get you guys out of here. Tell me one thing about Mystic that we don't know about Mystic that the people them should really look forward to.
One thing about Mystic,
Yeah. I'm going to ask everybody that one there.
you see, Mystic, one thing with the people, you word Mystic, they always say Mystic don't have any tune. Mystic have a lot of tune.
Yeah.
But it's just the way we play the song.
Yeah.
For sure.
That's why when we go in our tune and play some tune, people say, wow, they have those tunes.
No,
Yeah.
not caught me.
Yeah,
Not
because
caught me.
even with the Tristan Palmer is the first ever played in our class.
First.
Okay.
Yeah.
I've had the Sunday Live over 10 years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, so
Time and place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
we not just show off dub play like that. When we play dub, we play dub.
Yeah.
That's the thing about Mystic.
All right. You, Randy? Tell us something about Mystic that we don't know that we should know.
Well, I think me kind of being on the outside for a long time and seeing how people view the sound,
Yeah.
I think they have a reputation of being hard to deal with.
Yeah.
And I think it's really off. I think
Yeah.
if you deal with them straight,
Yeah.
they'll deal with you straight.
Yeah, man.
But if you come at them sideways, they'll fix your business.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Makes sense.
So it's just that. Don't come with any games or any angles or, side talk or nothing like that. Just deal with the man them straight and it'll work out all right.
Yeah. Makes sense. And I mean, Fabian?
The mystic sound, I just give them a little piece. When we have a clash and thing, when I practice and
Yeah.
certain thing, like
Yeah.
when I sit down and practice.
Okay,
and
so it's
with the
not
sound.
practice. It's just,
No,
Natural.
we just
Natural.
do it.
Yeah.
As I say, give me the laptop.
yeah.
Tyrone, and him just do it.
Yeah.
Well,
So Mystic
when
doesn't
us-
really practice. They just come out, do their thing, and
But us
go.
do it because we know why, you know, from we
Yeah.
see the people them in front of we.
Yeah,
Supposed to just pick it up and do it, you know?
you know the vibe.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm surprised. Because if you look right now, this podcast is about an hour and a half, and I know when it comes to Mystic man them, especially a man like Fabian doesn't really talk, boss.
Yeah.
This is the
Yeah,
most
for real.
I've heard Fabian talk ever.
I
The
know
most.
I think you get the first interview from me to regularly I
Yeah.
do it, you know,
Yeah.
so you can put that one in the book.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, because I know your thing, as you
Yeah,
said,
man,
via
I
the
really-
laptop.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's it.
Yeah, you
and
take
him
it
do
from
the
there.
and him do the
Yeah,
talking.
no,
you see,
for
yeah.
real. I've never really heard a interview or anything with all three.
No, man, you crack the code to them, man.
Oh my God, it's respect. When you see somebody doing their thing, and I put it out there.
Yeah.
When I went into Sound Clash Fraternity, I said, listen, anybody wins gets the podcast.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So you guys once will have to bring you in. That's why I asked when I was speaking to either Tyrone or Randy, I said, okay, how many people is there? He told me, so I said, okay, I could set it up, make sure that everything is good to go, and we're good to go. When people want to book the World Sound Mystic, where could they find them? Give them some booking info.
You can find up on Facebook, Instagram. You can find Fabian Randy, anyone of it.
Mystic
Yeah, we're
Sound
not hard
at
to find.
GMENT,
Yeah.
Short Night Entertainment, Mystic Sound ENT at gmail.com,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Any phone numbers?
416-834-9038.
Yeah.
647-406-5539.
647-706-0939, you see it?
All right. So if
That's
they
my
want to,
number, Fabian.
yeah.
Yeah.
So from they want to book the song, you could call those numbers, contact them on Facebook, Instagram, any which way. You know what I mean? And they'll definitely respond. They're definitely good people. You know what I mean? I called them. They were ready to do it. I gave them the card in the middle of them winning the trophy.
Yeah.
And
They
the funny
come
thing
to
with
me
it,
for true,
they
yeah.
still called me the next day. Say, hey, okay, this is what I said. Wow, you see, them people, they're good.
You know,
people.
the way you come to me too.
Yeah.
You care, like,
ready.
You're right
Yeah,
there, like, most.
As a Randy say, you have to know to approach, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Never.
When I come to
You come to me and talk to me. We're not
Yeah.
hard to deal with. We're a human being just like anybody else, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Simple, you
It
know?
makes sense, you know what I mean? Before we get out of here, anybody you want to big up, we'll go around the table.
Yeah, man, we want to big up everybody we support we, man, and believe in our way, you know, and big up the whole of the youth them at Jamaica we help cut the song them for we and fix them up for we and go out, you know?
Yeah.
Big up Mangaroo them, Adrian them and the whole of them, you know? And them youth the Burjo. When I forgot Burjo. Yeah, we can't go without Burjo. Big up my mother, big up my father.
Yeah.
You see my brother them, you know? Trust me, and big up 7B. When them youth there, you know?
Yeah.
Them youth there push we, you know?
Dan
Big
left.
up
The
Kiddy
youth them
Badness.
left the
Big up
thing,
Dan
yeah.
left, you know? Even a brother with them calling eye roller. When I left you with eye roller. Big up yourself, you know? Yeah. And big up everybody, man, who support you, man. I say Mystic, man. You see me and them something, them, man, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, what me not left out nobody still, you know?
Sheena.
Sheena. Yeah, we can't left out Sheena. We got the people that must support you, you know? Everybody, you know? Can't left out. Yeah, man, we can't left out nobody, man. Everybody will support you and believe in our man, you know? One love and unity, you know? And we're not going to see more, you know? We're going to do it because we're not stop. It's not about me, Fabian and Randy. It's about everybody and all of us, you know?
Yeah.
It's the movement
Yeah.
of what
Yeah.
you're really bringing to the table right now.
Yeah.
You know
Yeah.
what I mean? I would call you guys the new millennium song, even though you guys been around from before.
Yeah.
But when the fire really started to catch, is the new millennium. From the 2005 come up, from the fully loaded time,
Them time,
that's
yeah.
there.
Yeah.
I'd say that's where Mystic really started to catch.
Straight.
You know what I mean? And that right there, if we're talking 2005, that's like 13 years ago.
And that's our first clash ever,
Yeah,
eh?
that was your first one.
First straight
Yeah.
dub plate one.
Yeah.
That
Crazy.
dance, yeah.
And I think you guys won that one, or you guys, if you didn't win, you guys,
Runner up.
Run
Yeah,
up,
we
yeah.
did,
so you guys got to the next one.
next
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we clashed 2 weeks straight.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
because we
yeah.
clash, we go play against the big
The,
sound. Reaction and
the-
Super
them
Fresh
big
them.
sound,
Yeah, reaction, yeah.
There's only one of
Actually,
those
you have to
times.
say we clash with every sound in
Almost
Canada,
every
no?
sound
Yeah.
in Canada. Yeah.
Every
with the more,
sound.
yeah.
So that-
we.
That had Super Fresh and Black Reaction.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow.
Them have to step up them game.
And we clash King Turbo already.
When?
Yeah, we clash King Turbo right when I reloaded it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
yeah,
And
when
Vertex, them, man.
Ron
That's the sound when them
I
call name.
I
Lexus
reloaded him
Supreme.
with them.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
We clash the whole of them. Vertex, them with
Yeah.
White Boy, them Panita,
Okay.
and the whole of them. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
We clash the whole. All the sound when they used to play with him again. What the sound where King Charles used to play?
Desert Storm.
Desert Storm. The
Yeah.
whole of them, man.
All of those.
We clash the whole of them.
Yeah.
There's no
Yeah,
sound in
man.
Canada with no clash.
Yeah.
I must say, one sound in a clash. A Roots, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. They never clash Roots, man. Never.
We need to line that up.
Yeah.
Ranger, we're gonna give you a call and line that
Yeah.
up.
We clash all Rebel
Yeah.
too.
Yeah.
Rebel too, yeah.
Yeah, man, we clash
One
all
of the
Rebel.
same,
Same
back to
clash.
the
Same back to
Back to
basic, man.
basics.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, man. We clash Rebel too,
Running,
man.
we clash anybody, man.
Yeah, man, anybody,
we
man.
Just get
That's what people
music,
like about it.
music, you know,
The
yeah.
fearlessness about you guys is what people like and don't like at the same time.
Remember,
But
so
if
we
you
make
know,
super.
Who are you?
Remember, so we make 66 contact with the talker phone from Profit, you know.
Yeah.
And start cussing, you know.
That was Zone 1.
Yeah.
That was
man.
either Last Man Standing or Fully Loaded or one of those.
Fully Loaded.
Fully
Yes,
loaded.
Yes.
Fully loaded. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Them time everybody stand up behind the sound and I'm alone I jump out on the stage.
Yes. Your
And everybody
energy.
start perform now, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your energy, boss.
You
Your
have
energy.
to bring something different to the game.
Yeah.
We can't follow the man in the behind the sound and I play.
Yeah.
And reaching out
Show
as it
off.
were.
Yeah.
Now go work. Come something different. Forward something different, man, at the game, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. People want forward that clash and say, yo, man, go take in Mystic.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, see the, I look for everybody as what them do for Rumble. I'm do my one.
Yeah.
You know, see my one go viral.
We know.
Yeah. Everybody attack. Oh, wanna hide. We are hide for your dip on the flyers
Players
already.
already, yeah.
If you lose and nothing,
Yeah.
you can't clash again. Eh?
But that's what it is. It's a lot of ego
Yeah.
and pride and stuff like that. wrapped
And then
up where
them
they
come
don't
out the
really
dance
wanna-
and prove who and who have this and who have that, like.
Yeah. No, man. I'm definitely glad that I got to sit down and talk to you guys.
Yeah, man,
And
definitely,
put it
man.
out there because there's a lot of stuff that, again, it kind of gets lost in history where man and man would talk amongst each other but not really remember all of those stuff there.
True.
And there's certain stories that only you guys would know that you could bring to the table. Just like you're talking about the Movado situation from back then until now, from Singing Blacks till now.
True.
Only you could deliver that type of story. And that's what everybody has to realize, that as a song, you always have stories that nobody else has.
Yeah.
But it's just to be able to have a platform to display it.
Exactly.
And I'm glad that you guys came through. You guys won Canada Rumble. We'll be looking for you guys on the big stage World Clash
World Clash
2018.
Yeah, man, I want to big up Two Line Music, man. Every
Yeah,
time,
man,
man.
long
You talk
time,
about
man.
hustle.
Every
I
year,
years you do
man,
it, you
yeah.
know. Trust me. We
Yeah,
know that, you know. Radication of my sound, you know.
Yeah.
I love them sound there, you know. I don't have a stamina that they rhythm there when they start kick off that, you know. People dead, you know. Yeah, so I want you to see that, forgive it.
Listen, since we're talking honestly, let's go back to the Fully Loaded situation. You know one thing, because remember, we were in that clash.
Yeah.
You guys beat us in that clash.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think
What surprised the hell out of me was two songs. The Baby Sham
Yeah.
and the Beres Hammond.
Yeah.
That's what surprised the hell out of me. I said, you know what? you guys got this one.
Yeah.
Got you.
Yeah.
You got this.
Yeah, can I be a bit short
Baby Sham will use and push it out. You know,
Babylon, boy.
Babylon, boy. Radication, police name. Vain.
And you know the funny
Yeah.
thing with it, we had the counteraction for that song.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
had the
No,
counteraction.
but we
for it.
play it
Yeah.
after when we
Yeah.
couldn't play again. That
Yes,
was
but
the
that's what it was.
round,
Yes.
yeah.
We had. If it went the other way, we had the counteraction, but we couldn't come back. But I said, you know what, Mystic got you.
Yeah.
Because I told you, I remember the Beres Hammond
Yeah.
and the Baby Shop.
Yeah.
Was
know what I
it
mean?
the time we played the singing round? Was it?
Yeah, man, we're singing around. They play the very same man singing around.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was the first time I heard
Come
the
remember
Beres
a
Hammond
long
pop out.
time we get them, you know.
Yeah.
Long
So
time.
it's been a long time.
We
Yeah.
have them
long
very
time we
still
get them.
long
Yeah.
time.
See,
Yeah.
that's the thing about Mystic. We have sung long time, but we choose the right time
Yeah.
when to play them.
Yeah.
And you're
must
with
say
Mystic
when I
now.
not tune.
Yeah.
You're with Mystic
I
now.
love it.
Yeah.
When
Oh, you what?
So you always surprise them.
Yeah.
Love it, man.
we know the right time when to play a song. All right. It's like, Mystic is not like a little kid get a candy. And they play, oh, I get a candy, I get a candy.
Have to play
No,
right
we're not
now.
like that.
Yeah.
We are going to dance and hear all someone play a dub plate. And we are say, oh my God, imagine the people ain't come for dance and have fun and play a dub plate. Yeah, like play some nice party song now.
Yeah.
'Cause Just for instance, look on the dancer going on there. You mean to tell me say a man can't find a nice ganja segment?
Yeah.
Good God, even if you not smoke weed, you must
Yeah.
can find some
Of
nice
course,
ganja
there's certain
segment.
staples
yeah,
that you
it's
have
hard.
to.
If I stop playing
Because-
sound, man.
Yeah.
If we listen music, we listen to Steely Bashment and them youth that we can
Yeah.
play a nice soul song and Glamour Way and them too, you know.
Yeah.
You understand? We got church as little boy. I grew up and we turn man and we
Sing
still
and
walk
all
going
that.
at the church and thing and because without God we are nothing, you know.
Exactly.
So you mean if you tell me say, oh you forget a God round and then you can cuss me and tell me say me get one of the best round which is the bad man round.
I remember that.
Oh you fi
speech.
put
Yeah.
God you fi put bad man over God.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No way.
You get God round, baptize the people them now.
Yeah. I'm boss the
Yeah,
place.
bust the place.
I know
You might
one of
cry,
them,
oh
yeah.
Lord, come on.
But that's simple. But that
Yeah.
that separates the boys from the men.
If
Right
Jah
there.
is standing by my side,
Simple.
why
Yeah.
should I be afraid?
The hardest round would have been, honestly, from the top of your head, would have been the combination round.
At the same thing,
You know
Randy
what I mean?
said.
Yeah.
That would be the hardest one.
We would. I made
Alright.
a lot. I hate more
And
want, you
we
know.
would have won.
Hey,
Yeah.
listen to my muscle,
Yeah.
muscle.
Yeah.
If we get that round, we would have delivered.
Yeah.
Them can't play sound. Simple.
Just like that.
Yeah, they can't play sound.
Yeah.
Them I forgot do some homework. I don't know what it is, but something I forgot to be done.
Combination
yeah.
round. There's a lot of combination there
A
about
lot
where
of
you must
music
can pick
out
out.
there,
You
man.
could, but off of the fly, that would be the hardest one because you never really have a combination.
Unless-
segment. You have a God bless, you have a bad man, you have a this, you have a that, but you really have a combination round.
So
Yeah,
you mean to tell
it
me
is
say
must.
a man couldn't find a bounty killer and a baby sham reality? Eh?
Yeah. But again, you see, after you sit down and think about it, then it's easier to come up with those combos. But when
No.
it comes to when it
play
comes to
them.
Ganja Man, when it comes to God Bless, when it comes to Bad Man, those segments are already sealed in dancing.
Yeah, but guess
know
what
what I
now,
mean?
no muscle? You get a month to
Yeah.
plan out
Plan
the list
out
to
the
get your
list,
song
song them
together.
together.
So if
So there's
you
no
look
excuse.
into it
Yeah.
now, you can say, all right, Ninja Man Bounty Killer, Pinchers Bounty Killer, Shines
That
and
play
Barrington.
Beanie Man, but Beanie Man Barrington leave it there. Yeah, do something. Cause the people them
Luciano
react to that.
Sizzler.
You know?
Luciano
Yeah, them
Sizzler.
look. Yeah,
Come on.
yeah.
They can do it. But
We have
them
some
just-
more we can't
You know?
talk about because we
Yeah,
have
we
you
can
know,
talk
but
about
there's lots of songs
Lots
out
of
there
songs,
you
yeah.
can
Lots of
play.
Of course.
Them
that
not
we know.
good
Yeah,
muscle.
Yeah, that's really what it
Them
comes
yeah,
down
them
to.
not good, man.
And you heard it there from Mystic.
Yeah.
Right there. Final words, gentlemen. That's your final word. Say
Yeah,
they're not
man.
good.
Bless up everybody with the music, you know?
Yeah,
man.
Yeah, playing the music wise, they're not too, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I said them not good, but
Yeah.
for deliver the part,
Yeah.
yeah. You
They
see
need
it.
to practice
Yeah,
some
them
more.
man still
I'll
man do
study the
some
music,
practice.
man.
Yeah, you know.
You know
Yeah.
what? This is something we always say. Like, a lot of people don't love the music.
The music,
They don't
yeah.
love it. Like, almost every conversation we have is
Yes.
about
Music,
music.
yeah.
Right?
That's why I'm gonna tell you, so we don't practice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Yes.
like, even
It's
like,
in you. So
Right
you
now,
know in
we're
your
talking
head.
Yeah.
about it right now. It's
Yeah.
like it's just like this.
Yeah.
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 I will not fight and cuss.
Yeah.
If we do something, man, we'll fix it.
Yeah, we'll
We don't
make
fight
sure
and
it
cuss.
fix.
We
Yeah.
don't know any name, sir.
And you think that's what really has the glue for Mystic is everybody's on the same page and gets it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Understands
Before
it.
anything goes,
Yeah.
we have to dip on one place.
Of
Yeah.
course.
We talk
Everybody
about
have
it,
to. Yeah.
and get it done, and we say, okay, we will do that, so we will fix it, and you know,
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you had a good night, everybody is to get
Yeah,
congratulations. If you have a bad
everybody.
night, everybody's to blame.
Yeah.
True.
There's no one, oh, you're
Yeah,
outside,
yeah,
you didn't say the right
yeah.
thing, you didn't
Yeah.
say
no,
the
because
right
that
thing.
actually happened right after the clash.
Yeah.
Where
Yeah.
something happened in the clash where we kind of messed up on
Yeah.
and the conversation right away the next
Yeah.
next
Yeah.
day.
Yeah.
Right? I get a call. Did this happen? And I was like, yeah, that did happen, you know?
Yeah.
And
We
it's
need to fix that.
We need to fix
Yeah.
that.
So
Yeah.
next time
So
we
next
know
time we
that
know.
can't.
Yeah.
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 You see, all egos aside, everybody's here for one cause, and that's what Mystic is going to go straight to the top. You know what? I'm going to put it out there. As long as it's a Canadian song, again, that wins World Clash,
Yeah.
I'm going to have them back at this podcast.
Yeah, man.
Hopefully it's you guys.
So we say
You know what I mean?
Canada, man.
Canada, man.
Yeah, man. to
Yeah,
the
no,
world,
it's gonna
man.
be. It's definitely gonna be very, very
Yeah.
interesting.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because they're not gonna really know how to. We love and respect King Turbo to the bone. You know,
Definitely.
And I mean to the bone. But you have more of an understanding how to handle a King Turbo.
Yeah.
With a Mystic now that's just so firecrackery and just could come from any sides, that's a little bit more hard to deal with. And that's really the situation right there.
That's true.
You know what I mean?
Yeah,
So let's
for
keep
real.
it pushing. So again, gentlemen, thank you and big up
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, big up
100%.
also, man.
Blessed, you know.
Alright.
Yeah.
Big up
You know what I
everybody who deal with music, you know. One love and unity, you know.
Yeah.
Whole Canada. Yeah.
One time.
Yeah.
I mean, this is Musclehead for Entertainment Report, and I'm out.